Alright, so this is a really beautiful example of the beds in their developmental stages, and in the videos we try to show you us making the beds, but this is such a great example of them at their different stages. So I'm going to talk you guys through it. Essentially, we dig a trench and then we layer it kind of like a sandwich. So in the middle we got an example of the first layer, which is the brambles, the dry bramble sticks, and then on top of that we put dry olive branches, which are there, and dry olive leaves, which are also just there, and then the layer of thick straw, which is there, and then we top it with soil mixed with manure, which is here, and then we put another layer of straw on the top, which is here, and you can even maybe see little planted, I think it's kale there. And once everything is growing, then continue to put mulching on the top, and mulching is like vegetation, plant vegetation, ideally cut up into small little bits and just put on the top, and that composts down and nourishes the plants that are growing over time as we seasonally rotate the crops that we're growing here. I hope that is a bit informative and a bit interesting to anyone that's intrigued about how we do the growing here on the land. Nice. It's nearly finished. And then I'll fly drone up into the sky and we get to see it from up there.